Why INFINIX Zero 20 won't turn on. Hello my dear friends, how are you? I hope you are well and in the happiest condition today. I have an important video with you, which is why the INFINIX Zero 20 is not running. I hope you like it, but before watching, subscribe to the channel so that I can present to you everything that is new. And now let's follow the video. If INFINIX Zero 20 won't turn on, here's why INFINIX Zero 20 won't turn on, and 7 possible ways to fix the problem. Why is my INFINIX Zero 20 not turning on? The main reason why INFINIX Zero 20 won't turn on could be due to software or battery-related issues. Whatever the case, this can be disappointing. However, there are other issues that may prevent INFINIX Zero 20 from running. Some of them include outdated software. Your INFINIX Zero 20 software may be out of date, which means your drivers need to be updated. As a result, there will be interdependence as the entire system fails if one part of the system fails. In this case, it is necessary to update the drivers and install them again. This can fix several issues within your device and ensure that it is working properly. Hardware-related problems. Hardware, like the battery, can be damaged beyond repair, such as from leaks or other physical damage. This could be due to overloading the INFINIX Zero 20 or dropping it and causing damage. In this case, you will need to replace the device to fix it. If your battery is damaged, be sure to replace it immediately. Once you replace the battery, you can safely restart your INFINIX Zero 20 and continue using it. What to do when INFINIX Zero 20 won't turn on? If you are wondering what to do when INFINIX Zero 20 won't turn on, then this guide is for you. This could be due to various issues that prevent INFINIX Zero 20 from starting. Below are the possible solutions that may help fix the problem. 1. Check the download of INFINIX Zero 20. As is often the case, the most obvious reason is usually the correct one. If you haven't noticed any signs of malfunctioning on your INFINIX Zero 20 before, then the problem could be as simple as a low battery. To solve this problem, try the following tips. Examine the connections first of all. Check the obvious points. Did you remember to download INFINIX Zero 20? Is the charger partially disconnected from the socket? Is the port up and running? Clean dirt and dirt next. Make sure that there is no dust, dirt, or other impurities blocking the USB port of the charging cable or the charging port of the INFINIX Zero 20. Remember that connections are delicate. Perhaps the best way to remove grime from doors is to use a can of compressed air. Check USB charging cables are known to be broken on a whim. You can check the integrity of your cable by using it with another device and seeing if it works. If INFINIX Zero 20 won't turn on even after charging, read more. 2. INFINIX Zero 20 power cycle. We've all experienced a frozen phone. The screen is unresponsive and none of the buttons work. But did you know that it is also possible for INFINIX Zero 20 to freeze when it is turned off? If INFINIX Zero 20 does not turn on, the solution is to perform a power cycle. Press and hold the power button on INFINIX Zero 20 for a few seconds. You may need to wait 10 to 30 seconds. 3. Check the INFINIX Zero 20 battery. If your INFINIX Zero 20 dies and won't turn on or charge, but you're sure your charger is working and power cycling didn't solve your problems, then it's time to turn your attention to your INFINIX Zero 20 battery. This may be the reason why INFINIX Zero 20 won't turn on. Most phone and tablet batteries begin to degrade quickly after a few years of use. In the end, they end up being completely depleted. Other types of damage can irreparably affect the battery. Liquids, drops on hard surfaces, and extreme temperatures can render a battery useless. Ensure that the battery is receiving power. After connecting INFINIX Zero 20 to the charger, wait for a minute to see if the battery symbol appears on the screen. If it does, then the battery is good and you can proceed to the next steps. Instead, you may see a small red, or other color, light flashing. If this is the case, then this means that your battery does not have enough power to play or display any content on the screen. Leave it charging for 30 minutes and try again. Don't see the battery icon or light? This may mean that your battery is dead and needs to be replaced. 4. Check the INFINIX Zero 20 screen. You might get frustrated that your INFINIX Zero 20 won't turn on when in fact it could be running without you even realizing it. A cracked screen can give the impression that there is no power. Fortunately, it's easy to tell if the screen is to blame. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds to ensure that INFINIX Zero 20 is fully powered on, then wait at least 2 minutes for the booting process to complete. Now call yourself from another phone. If INFINIX Zero 20 beeps, your monitor is to blame. Keep in mind that sometimes you can replace the screen yourself, but doing so will void your warranty. 5. Use your computer to run INFINIX Zero 20. If you still can't get INFINIX Zero 20 to work, you might be able to force it to use it on your computer. Google provides a somewhat complicated set of steps that you can follow. We simplify it below. Connect INFINIX Zero 20 to your computer using a USB cable. Leave it charging for 15 minutes. Disconnect the cable from INFINIX Zero 20, not the computer. Reconnect the cable within 10 seconds of disconnecting it. Charge the INFINIX Zero 20 for another 30 minutes. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Tap Reset on the screen. If the reset does not appear, press and hold the power button for another 30 seconds. 6. Factory Reset, Wipe Data, INFINIX Zero 20. If connecting INFINIX Zero 20 to a computer does not solve your problem, doing a factory reset may work. This technique requires that you first reboot INFINIX Zero 20 into recovery mode and then perform a factory reset. Keep in mind that this method will erase all data on INFINIX Zero 20, so only do it if you are willing to risk losing your data. Here is how to fix INFINIX Zero 20 not turning on at all with factory reset. Step 1. Get into recovery mode of INFINIX Zero 20 after turning it off. To do this, press volume down plus power at the same time. Keep holding these buttons until the INFINIX Zero 20 logo appears and the INFINIX Zero 20 restarts again. Step 2. Now, you can factory reset your INFINIX Zero 20. Use the volume down button to scroll up until the factory reset or wipe data option appears. Press the power button to select it. When done, use the power button to choose Reset System Now. 7. INFINIX Zero 20 may be unusable. If none of the above works, then it might be time to face the fact that your INFINIX Zero 20 will not work again and that you need a new phone. Remember that some phones are specifically designed for use in dirty or difficult areas. If you find that you are still experiencing stuck ports, one of these devices might be the best solution. Conclusion. It is very frustrating when you want to use your INFINIX Zero 20 and the phone will not turn on, so you cannot use it. Fortunately, there are several proven solutions. 1. Check the download of INFINIX Zero 20. 2. INFINIX Zero 20 power cycle. 3. Check the INFINIX Zero 20 battery. 4. Check the INFINIX Zero 20 screen. 5. Use a computer to operate the INFINIX Zero 20 phone. 6. Factory reset, wipe data, INFINIX Zero 20. 7. INFINIX Zero 20 may be unusable. At the end of the video, I thank you for watching, and I hope you have solved the problems, and see you in a new video.